Toastmasters and friends, and Tejas in particular. In this 2G, 3G world, we have TG, Tejas Gandhi. Tejas introduced himself in the beginning as the opening of the speech that he is famous. I think by now everybody would know him, that he is definitely a very famous person in the club. So what do we give him for his speech? I would say a man who follows his heart, that is his life's mantra. A very daring person, a go-getter. He would not leave any stone unturned to get his job or his things done. You need any help in the club, he is right there, helping you out. That is his characteristic. Now, moving on to the speech. The opening, in the beginning, what I felt was, should have been with a band, which you missed a little bit as a recommendation part, I would say. The body of the speech which you had, it connected very well with your hobbies and your ambition, what you want to do out here in the club too. Now, we had some lovely words which you quoted, or rather, hunger to excel and succeed. Yes, you need that zest or the fire which you have in yourself. All you need is to just put yourself, your mind and soul into your speeches, and then you are banging on with a lot of certificates. I can see that. Or rather, I can see, the club can see that. Did he talk clearly? In the beginning, what I felt, or rather, yes, what we felt was, you were not very clear with your speech in the beginning. Later, you became very confident coming onto the stage and delivering your speech. The conclusion was definitely with a bang. You concluded by saying, DTM Rajdeep Nirmani sir helped you as an inspiration, as a role model to join the Toastmasters meeting. Another recommendation, if with your permission, Tejas, I would want you to do a little more rehearsals on your speech. A little more clearer and a little more rehearsals so that you excel in this field of communication skills. On the whole, an amazing, confident, a 3Ps for Tejas Gandhi. I would say a powerful, a passionate, and a total performer. That's what Tejas means, famous, and there comes you. Thank you.
Thank you, Payal. You are the secret, Tejas Gandhi. The tenacity you have is unquestionable. Well done, good job, and wonderful job, Payal. Big round of applause, friends.